All right, Muscar Corner here, back at Tech Inspection. Got some really nice cars here today. Look at this Fairlane. It's got super trappers on it. Tell me that's not cool. Keeps it nice and quiet. You can adjust the back pressure on it. Man.
Carburetor on, spring on each carburetor.
I can go back to chair.
Okay, liquid, ram switch. Okay. Put it back on.
Grab hold of that, please. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Welcome.
And I love that car.
It's pretty.
Yeah,
Hard to believe it's a 20-year-old paint job. It's pretty.
unreal. I don't know if y'all caught the Mule, the 68 first Hemi Barracuda.
Yeah.
We had that at Indy a couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. It's the original 68 Hemi Barracuda. That is sweet. How you doing, man?
Good. How y'all?
Good. Do you have this at Gator Nationals? That's what I thought. Remember I did the videos on it?
You did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How you doing?
Good, buddy. How you been, man?
Making a round.
I see you are, and I am too. It's good to see the wagon station out.
Yeah.
How's things going?
Oh,
You doing all right?
doing all right. Yeah. I've been
Good.
seeing like everywhere we've been, it's been raining, cold, and crap.
I hope we don't get any rain Friday and Saturday, they're stating. Is this your boy?
That's my
Grandson?
grandson. My son's back there.
Oh, nice. That's awesome. Whole family affair,
Oh yeah. Yep. Have a good time.
no doubt. Well, I've got you in about 3 or 4 videos from Gators.
Yeah.
You know, good stuff. I figured I might as well get to this one. I didn't go to Bristol. I figured I'd go to this
When
one.
I hit Bristol, we went to been to Indy twice, and then went to a double points meet in St. Louis.
Oh, nice. You got to be at Indy this year?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Can't miss that one. I'm gonna be there, no doubt.
Hopefully, I'll have my other car up there for that. I got a '55 Chevy Super Stock.
Oh, nice.
Hopefully, we're gonna run here.
Really?
Get it back together.
All right, buddy. We'll talk to you further.
All right. See ya.
Look at that, Gold Rush. Cleveland, huh?
Well, heads anyway.
The heads? Oh, gotcha. It's unusual to see a Ford in one.
I know it.
It's rare. I saw you unloading, and your wife was just right there getting it done, man. I love to see a team like that.
I'm not great.
Huh?
I try.
Well, you're here, and that's the main thing, you know. A lot of women won't come out and do this stuff, you know.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, that's awesome. Y'all been drag racing a long time?
I've been on and off all my life.
Yeah. That's awesome. Well, I tell you what, I'm looking forward to it. This is the first time I've been to this track, and I got a YouTube channel and shooting for NHRA as well. So check out my channel when you get a moment. Got a bunch of people on it. It's all motorsports. So y'all gonna be on it?
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll check you out. I watch a lot of YouTube.
Good deal. Good deal. Where y'all out of?
Jackson, Ohio.
Okay. Gotcha. Not too far away, huh?
No.
Well, it looks like they're going to have a good turnout. Let's just hope that rain stays away for Friday and Saturday.
Yeah.
Cross my fingers. I came all the way from Florida to film this thing, so I'm hoping for the best. That's all you can do, you know. What's your name?
Jim Councilman.
Jim. I'm Brad. Very nice to meet you.
That's
Megan. All right. Y'all take care. Good luck on that.
Thank you.
Well, we'll find out. First qualifier tomorrow. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Well, looking at some of the other cars we got here. Little AMX. Sharp. We got a nostalgia funny car here as well. How y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, man. Love the 57.
Thank you.
It is sharp. It's this is one of the nostalgia funny cars. How long you been running it?
We've got this body for about 4 years.
Yeah.
We have a '96 Camaro body that we've been running since
Okay.
2000.
Gotcha. Big block Chevrolet, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Don't see that too often.
Hemis are so expensive.
Oh yeah. You can build these for half the price.
Yeah.
I remember, I forget what year it was. I think it was 75 or 76 at Gator Nationals. It was the only big block Chevrolet funny car that ever came up to the finals. And I think he got beat at the end. No, he did win it. That's right. That car's sitting in Don Garlich's museum. Huh?
Top fuel.
Yeah, no, it was a funny car.
Funny car, but
Yeah.
nitro.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. With a big block Chevrolet in it.
Yeah.
Pretty rare that they ever
Yeah.
were able
they
to.
kept the bottom end in it.
No doubt there. What is this motor?
It's 540.
540. Gotcha. Well, looks good, man. I love the 57. I've got a YouTube channel. I'll be putting you all on it. So take a look, and I don't know how many cards I've been hitting a bunch of cards out. But check it out when you get a chance. I got 6.4 million people in a couple years with this thing. So I'm out having fun, enjoying getting all you guys, on my YouTube channel. That's what it's all about. All right, y'all have a good day, man. Good luck on everything.
Thank you.
Drag nut. That is sharp. Wow. How you doing, man?
Good. How are you today?
Good. Good old Nova.
Yeah.
Nice. Got the son driving it, huh?
Yeah. We both got cars.
Oh, nice.
I got
nice.
a '66 Chevelle, and then he drives this.
Cool. Look at that big old elephant hanging up lurking under the hood. Small block too, huh?
Yeah.
Bet you this thing pops.
434 cubic inch.
Gotcha. What
It's 930.
what compression ratio you run on it?
14 and a half.
That's about what everybody's running on it. Well, it looks like a lot of fun. It's neat to see father and son team doing it too.
Yeah, we love it.
Yeah. I got a YouTube channel you need to guys check out. You'll be on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I'm going to be here for 3 days filming. So
Yeah.
for NHRA and YouTube. So
You see this car and the red Chevelle line up next to each other in qualifying. We usually try to run each other at least once in qualifying.
nice.
So if you see us,
Father and
get a
son.
good video of it.
Oh, I will.
All
I
right.
will. What about where's your car at?
Right down. It's right down there on the
Gotcha.
left.
Chevelle, what year?
Red 66.
66.
Says the Gambler on the side of it.
Gambler. Gotcha. All right, gents. Good luck
man.
on everything,
Thank
man. Kick some ass.
Another one heard the mower turn off.
Wow. That's a nice build right there, man. Super cool. Bubble top. This is rare. A Rambler. What? A Rambler 330. Well, you don't see those too often. Sure not a drag car, that's for sure. Super cool. A custom little Nova. Sharp little Nova. Well, we got some pretty nice cars coming up the way here. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Get some runs in. And I'm going to be able to get unbelievable access due to having a NHRA vest and full credentials. I'm looking forward to that big time. This is my first meet that I'm able to do that. So I'm going to be bringing it to y'all. I'll leave you with that little nasty AMX. Bus Car Corner sign out. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Man, y'all need to press that thumbs up button for me, man. Drives me crazy. I'm out here busting it, and your guys can't even take a little finger and hit a like. Man.